What's up, people? Welcome to the channel. I'm in my basement right now, my man cave. I was just about to install an LED faucet in the bathroom down here, and I figured I'd pull out the camera, do a quick video for you guys, just in case anybody out there is interested in seeing one of these in action, how it works. I picked this up off of Amazon. It wasn't too expensive. Wanted to replace the faucet in my current faucet in the bathroom, and I figured, hey, why not pick one of these up? Seemed kind of cool. So I'm going to go ahead and install this, and we're going to see how it works. But first we'll go ahead and I'll show you everything that comes with this faucet. Alright guys, so here's the faucet and all the parts laid out on my sink here. Go ahead and show you what the faucet looks like. It's kind of like a waterfall style faucet. It's got like a flat black or satin black finish. Underneath here is where the LEDs are. And what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to light up different colors depending on the temperature of the water coming out of the faucet. So kind of unique, a little bit different, and I'm kind of interested to see how well this works. So that's what it looks like. That's the current one I have that I'll be replacing. Here's the parts. Here's the base plate, made to cover up if you have a sink with 3 holes. Got a little tool here, some brackets. And then over here you got your water lines, hot and cold. So we'll go ahead and I'll remove this one and install this one, and we'll see it in action. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like installed. Only took me probably about 10 minutes. Real easy to install. Got no leaks in the water line, so that's good. I already checked that. And we'll go ahead and run some water so you guys can see the LED effect. First, you can see that's a decent amount of water with the waterfall there. It's nice. Looks pretty cool. It's got the blue light on there right now. Pretty cool water. So if I turn it to hot, it's going to get green first for warm water and then red for hot. So right now, it's pretty warm. Not going to burn you or anything. And then it just turned to red. Yep, water's getting hot here. Still not like anything scalding. Go ahead and turn it back to the middle. Go green for just like warm water, and then blue will be cold water. So we'll go to over here, and there we go. And that's cold. One more time, we'll go to the middle. There's warm. And we'll go over to hot. You just turn red. So you definitely can see it while the bathroom's lit up. Go ahead, turn the light off here. Just give you a better look at the LEDs. Maybe your bathroom isn't as bright as mine. Over to red. So it definitely works. Now the cool thing about this, turn some of the lights off here, just so you guys know, I got vanity light there that's on, and then this is, I got this light too, so my bathroom gets pretty bright. But back to the faucet here. The cool thing about this is it doesn't take any batteries. No batteries. You don't have to run it to a power source like an outlet or anything like that. The water pressure is what makes it light up. So as soon as you turn the water on, there's a mechanism, some alien shit in there. I don't know what it is. But from the flow of water, it's what actually turns the LED light on. So pretty cool that it doesn't need batteries or any type of electrical source to it. So it makes it real simple. This is going to be good for any of you guys that got young kids to be able to see the temperature of the water. If it's red, they don't want to put their hands in there. It'll be too hot for them. So definitely a cool visual indicator of the temperature of the water. And it really just kind of looks cool. Alright guys, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. If you like what I'm doing on my channel, hit that subscription button. I'll put more information about this faucet in the description box below. I'll put an Amazon affiliate link for this faucet too in the description box. If you're interested in this, go ahead and click on that affiliate link. It helps out the channel a lot. Guys, if you got any questions or anything, put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.
Bye.